In Lahore, the focus is on the displacement that's occurred due to a 27-kilometer rapid transport system that's called the Orange Line Metro project. As a result of this, tens of thousands of people have been displaced from their homes or their places of work. In Colombo, our focus is on a drive by the Colombo Municipal Council to move working-class communities from the center of the city into high-rise apartment buildings on the outskirts of the city. And in both cases, what we're interested in is the life after displacement and how it's disrupted long-lasting associations and networks of kinship and care. For us, the key aspect is to try to bring three groups or three interested parties together. So bring people who've been displaced, the civil society groups who do advocacy work for them, and then the politicians and policymakers towards whom we are trying to direct, whose attention we are trying to direct towards these problems so that there are changes in the policy.